Welcome back to Rough Time and Recipes. Today's recipe is beef chili. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. There are 100 different versions of beef chili, but this is the way my wife likes it. And I thought I'd cook it just as she likes it because she's still got a broken arm. But the good news is this Thursday the cast comes off, which of course means she can bring me my coffee in bed in the mornings again.
Just show them the ingredients.
Well, that's the ingredients shown. On with the cooking. First thing you do is heat the oil in a suitably sized frying pan. When it's up to temperature, add the onions and fry off for a minute or two. After the onions are fried off for a minute or two, it's time to add in the peppers and garlic, and again mix through thoroughly. After the peppers are softened up a bit, it's time to add in the paprika, oregano, cumin and sugar. Then add the chili powder, all quarter teaspoon of it. A quarter teaspoon of chili, I ask you. The clue's in the name. Beef chili, not beef and a tiny little bit of chili. I'd put 2 in, but I don't want to cross the wife. Even Rambo wouldn't cross my wife. Then it's time to add the beef and fry off until it starts to take on some colour. When this is done, add salt and pepper to taste, and again mix in well. Then it's time to add the drained kidney beans and tomatoes to the pot and mix in well. When this is done, add the stock to the pot, place a lid on the pan and bring up to a simmer and cook for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes are up, remove the lid and continue to cook until the right consistency you want is achieved. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now. Quarter teaspoon of chili, I ask you.